Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video for the Hvlp spraying these kitchen units. Just saying that when you're using this, when the smart start kicks in, before you actually pull for paint, just give it 2 seconds or 1 and 2 seconds, because you'll hear the pressure drop. So if you're triggering on and off, if I pull in, always keep your finger on the air and then just pull off the paint but leave the air running. And then when you pull back for paint, release and then pull back, you've always maintained the pressure, so you're not going to have a bigger fan or a splat, you know, if you were to completely let go and then pull again. If you pull and then let go just off the paint, you'll get a more uniform finish. So I'll just show you that now. So I'll pull for the system to start, and there the pressure drops. You can also feel it in the whip hose. But this is just going to be a really light coat, just so that it's going to dry quick. And then afterwards, I'm going to put a thick coat on in about 5 minutes once it's dry. Let's trigger on the paint. So I'm off the paint there, but I'm still on the air. You know, it's not slow either, you can actually go a lot faster than that. I've only got these on minimal settings just to keep the overspray down, but by triggering on and off you're also keeping the overspray to a very minimum, which for me in this enclosed area that I'm in now is perfect. So yeah, I'll just show you as well, I've got them side by side. So that's the dust coat, it's very smooth, and then the second coat, you know, is a thicker full coat, and that's that's dead smooth, that. So that's only 10 minutes apart, and look at the colour difference, and that's solid as well. Yeah, that's me real scratching. You can see they haven't brought the paint off. So I think I prefer to do, you know, a quick pass and then a thicker pass instead of just going for one heavy one to start.
Cut this shit.